Hello everyone. Today I'll share with you a step-by-step guide on how to use Facebook to market your business for free. Yes, you heard that right. Today we won't be discussing paid Facebook ads and marketing campaigns. That's for another day. Rather, today we'll discuss how you can promote your business on the world's most used social media platform for free without spending even a single rupee. Excited? Let's dive right into it. And as usual, for those folks who prefer watching a video rather than scrolling through pages of text, check this video. Facebook is not dead. Okay, you may be of the opinion that Facebook is no more a top social media platform like what it used to be a few years ago. Today, your newsfeed is cluttered with opinion pieces, rants of an ex-colleague, and a random holiday pictures of your uncle and auntie. We often hear things like Instagram is where all the cool people are hanging out, or email marketing has some of the best ROI. If that were true, then how come Facebook is still one of the biggest social media platforms in the world and earns massive revenues every year? Though people don't share personal photos on Facebook as much as they did a few years back, they are still using the platform a lot. Facebook has morphed into a pseudo news site, the place where people go to see what the latest viral trend is, check up on the top happenings in the country and the world. So, it makes sense to promote your business on Facebook, to get it on people's news feeds so that they start noticing your brand. Have you ever tried setting up a page for your business on Facebook and gave it up as only your parents and friends liked the page? Today, I'll help you with that. I'll give you a step-by-step guide to promoting your business on Facebook for free. Even if you are a complete newbie, worry not. By the end of this guide, you will have a kick-ass Facebook business page. Step 1 is set up a Facebook business page. If you already haven't set up a Facebook business page for your business, then get it done right now. Log into your Facebook account and create a page for your business. Give a name for your Facebook page, preferably the name of your business. Then choose the category of your business. Add your website. Add a suitable profile photo for your business page. A logo works well here. Include a cover picture, photo of your store, office, etc. and click on create. Your Facebook business page is all set and ready. Step 2 is make your business page look and feel professional. Here are a few tips to polish your Facebook page. Choose the right business category. For instance, if you are a local business, then make sure to choose the category local business. Use the about section to describe your business in detail. Provide key business information like what do you do, the areas you serve, your contact number, professional email ID, etc. etc. Additionally, try to include keywords related to your business to boost SEO ranking. Add appealing pictures. You would have heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. In Facebook, the picture you use are the key to unlocking 1,000 likes. Make sure the profile image and cover photo you use are appealing and relevant to your business. Change these pictures seasonally or before a special event to get more likes. Step 3 is get people to like your page. You have now set up and refined your page. The next step is to get people to like your page. Here are some pro tips to win likes for your page. Add links to your Facebook page wherever you can, whether you distribute visiting cards or use marketing material like free stationery to promote your business. Mention your Facebook page so that your customers can like your business on Facebook. Ask your customers. Make sure to let your walk-in customers know that you have a FB page for your business and they can check it out to receive the latest information about your business. You can even offer them some incentives like say 5% off on the next purchase for liking your Facebook page. Ask people online. Have a pop-up box on your website with the message, "Thank you for visiting our site. Like us on Facebook to be the first to know about our product launches and promotions." Step 4. Share valuable and relevant content with your audience. Your audience would love to view posts that are informative, engaging, and entertaining. Use your Facebook page to connect with your audience by providing them with relevant information related to your brand. The goal of a Facebook post is to get people to interact with it, like, comment, or share. Here are a few creative ideas to create and share valuable content on your business page. Funny quotes or memes related to your brand and product. Pictures of happy customers using your product. Make sure to get the permission from the customers before posting it on your page. Also, you can give them some sort of incentives like say discounts for sharing images with you. Run giveaways and ask followers to tag their friends to increase their chances of winning. Run polls and ask questions to boost follower engagement rates. Post videos. Videos autoplay on the news feed of your followers. Get more people engaged with your brand. Step 5. Finally, track and monitor your Facebook business page. The key to marketing success on Facebook is to give your audience what they like and what they want. Use Facebook's page insights to know when to schedule posts, which posts are doing the best, and other relevant information. The bottom line: you can market on Facebook without going the paid route if you know what to do. Having a well curated and optimized business Facebook page helps you build a curiosity among your followers and attract potential customers to your page. If you have any further doubts or need help in any step, just give me a shout out in the comment and I would love to help you out.